J&J vaccine in pause. Some experts suggest exception for an age group. The emergence of unusual blood clots 2 weeks after vaccination caused the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to pause a vaccine brand. On April 13, the agency recommended the pause in the use of Johnson & Johnson's Janssen vaccine, an adenovirus vector-based product similar to the AstraZeneca vaccine and Sputnik V. The CDC called the pause after a small number of cases reported a rare, severe type of blood clot among those who received the vaccine. All reports confirmed that the events occurred in women aged 18 to 48 years, while symptoms took place 6 to 13 days after vaccination. In comparison of over 180 million doses of vaccines from Pfizer-BioNTech and Moderna administered, none were reported with the same association as of April 13. While the pause is to ensure an investigation, the U.S. will experience a slowdown in vaccination rates. This can impact the country's ability to combat the rising cases in different states. Meanwhile, the CDC advisory panel found that of over 7 million Janssen vaccine doses administered, 7 cases of blood clots were reported. Of 7 million doses given, 1.5 million have been administered to women aged 18 to 48 years, as per Yahoo's report. Some experts are seeing the significant blow of the pause on the global scale. First, there are still millions of Americans that must be fully vaccinated to reach the theorized herd immunity threshold for COVID-19. Second, the Janssen vaccine offers great convenience in and out of the U.S. It is a single-shot regimen and is stable at room temperature, ideal for countries struggling with mass refrigeration and ultra-cold storage. And third, variants are not taking a break and cities need as many vaccine options as possible. Dr. Ashish Jha, Dean of the Brown University School of Public Health, proposed to create an exception for women in the noted age group for the Janssen vaccine. This can allow cities to resume vaccination for other age groups, including women of older age who may benefit from the protection offered. Dr. Arthur Kaplan, a health professor at NYU Langone, said that vaccination should continue until the investigation team figures out what's really happening. In a recent study by the University of Oxford, the rare blood clot was assessed between vaccinated people and COVID-19 patients. Not yet peer-reviewed, the findings showed that cerebral venous thrombosis is 30% more likely to happen in patients younger than 30 years.